So here we are. We're at Farmer Par's. We're at Farmer Par's doing a little bit of activity near the back end of the day now. We've fed the animals, we've gone for something to eat, although the daughter likes ice cream.
Dad, you forgot about me!
Oh yeah. There she is. On the bouncy pillow. So we're just sort of like chilling out for the last hour. Or last half hour actually. We've been around the museum actually, it's not too bad in there. A couple of old things to look at. For some reason the little one's more interested in taxidermy stuff. But there you go, that's kids for you. My best part was the cafe obviously. And then basically, she's off to trying to get a video or something like that. So yeah, it's good, it's been fun. So I do Farmer Par's and feed the animals. Kids had a good time actually. They had like a meet the animal sort of like half hour where they get to stroke and play with the chickens and rabbits and guinea pigs and all that sort of stuff. So it winds away in the afternoon, get back, have tea, and then her boyfriend is here. 6 years old and she got a boyfriend. I told her though she can't get married till he asked me first. Right, signing off, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.